Individual programmers are responsible for their own content. If you have concerns regarding the following programming, please send an email to info@radiodebunk.com.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio.
Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly D.
Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone.
Namaste Radio.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to say a big thank you to all our clients and friends for supporting us and making our VIP Text Club launch event a great success. We invite you back to revive your skin with an ultrasonic fruit facial any Tuesday in the month of April for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
With spring comes a new season, new life, and a new hope for these uncertain times. Spread love, joy, and delicious Allings food. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Allings spreads the cheer. Dine in, pick up, or DoorDash an exquisite meal from Allings today. Halal menu available? Visit allingschinese.com.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Favor apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details, call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
You're listening to Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM.
That's right.
Good morning, everyone. This is Namaste Radio right here on 99.5 FM with your hosts Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly Deep. Right here on 99.5 FM. You can listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our app, available on iPhone and Android products. And listen to us on Amazon Alexa products. Just say, hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live. And download, like I mentioned, download our apps available on iPhone and Android products. Just go to the Apple App Store or go to Google Play and click on Namaste Radio and download our app. Watch us live on our Namaste Radio's Facebook Live and like us on Instagram at Namaste Radio 3. A good morning to everyone again. This is Namaste Radio. And like I mentioned before, myself, Dolly Deep, Sushil, and Vanchika. Good morning, guys. What's up?
Good morning. What's up, Houston?
Right.
Good morning, Houston.
What is the thing going on?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee is going on, some breakfast going on, and of course Namaste Radio is going on. इससे ज़्यादा बढ़िया बात हो ही नहीं सकती है. So yes, welcome everybody. Thank you for tuning in on 99.5 FM on our Facebook live video. अगर आप हमारी सुंदर सुंदर शक्लें देख सकते हैं सुबह. So happy Saturday, happy weekend. Weekend आ चुका है ना?
Yeah,
That's right. How's the
what? How's the what? You didn't finish it.
How's the Joshua?
Joshua? Okay.
How's the Joshua?
Joshua. All right. Well, yes, this is Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM. The start to the show. Kickoff is brought to you by PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Call them today at 281-580-8700. That's 281-580-8700 for your tax strategies, tax returns, audits and reviews, bookkeeping, company formation, and startup. Ask for Pradeep or Sid. That's 281-580-8700. Again, ask for Pradeep or Sid. 281-580-8700. On that note, also, do stay in touch with us throughout the show. Our WhatsApp line and phone line is open, 713-974-4000. That's 713-974-4000.
Zero.
Yeah.
Zero.
Right?
4 के बाद बस 0 लगाते जाइए. कॉल लगी जाएगी, WhatsApp चला ही जाएगा. So yes, like Sandeep said, आज fun packed show है. Lot of talking, shocking on Bollywood. On of course some giveaways. We have an interview planned. We have some local news.
Yeah.
Some important local news, I would say. And festivals का time है, तो कुछ festivals के बारे में बात करेंगे. But let's kickstart our show with the first song of our show.
हॉट तेरे मैनर नी छपते तेरे बैनर नी.
अगर आप मेरे कांटेक्ट में पिछले 10 दिन में आ चुके हैं तो आप प्लीज क्वारंटीन कर लें. आप ये कर लें, वो कर लें. या it's crazy. I think every other person in Mumbai is testing COVID positive. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's a phase.
अच्छा, B positive होना जरूरी है.
हाँ, but COVID positive नहीं है.
हम तो B positive.
So Akshay Kumar also tested COVID positive while shooting for Ram Setu. Yes, yes. And he took precautions as per, एक और line थी, with all the precautions he still tested COVID positive. तो अक्षय कुमार जी ने अपने आप को क्वारंटीन तो किया, लेकिन in 2 days he had to be hospitalized. So he was hospitalized, but now as of last night when I read the news or when he texted me, he was doing absolutely fine.
He texted you?
हमारे डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं बॉम्बे में. मुंबई में, sorry, before all these Mumbaikars jump on me like Mumbai.
Wow.
So yeah, Akshay Kumar is hospitalized, but he's doing fine.
I thought like not him, but the other person that's tested positive would text you about being.
Oh, that was a secret. You're not supposed to let my secrets out until I let them out.
Oops.
Who, Amrish Puri?
No.
What did he come in your dreams and Mogambo Kushwa?
Exactly.
शक्ति कपूर.
So
Ow.
अभी संदीप ने बता ही दिया है तो मैं बता ही दूं कि हाँ भाई हाँ विक्की कौशल has also tested COVID positive.
There you go. He got his dose of Sridevi today.
Yeah, he got his dose of Sridevi. No, so Vicky Kaushal also has tested COVID positive.
कोविड को शर्म नहीं आई?
क्यों?
अपना स्टैगर्ड गिरा दिया उसने. From Akshay Kumar to सीधा विक्की कौशल.
If you all are watching me on Facebook Live and if the video is on, I'm like going those
switch
backstairs.
it back.
यार COVID needs to have some standard, dude. कौन से सेलिब्रिटी को इफेक्ट होना? It needs to have some standard.
Okay, and who is wearing the Vicky Kaushal tagline shirt today?
Good.
This is not Vicky Kaushal. This is ये हमारे देश की है यार.
उसमें जो टैगलाइन है ना वो विक्की कौशल के वजह से फेमस हुई है, हाउस द जोश.
तो मुझे लगा ये संदीप के कारण फेमस हुई.
वो संदीप ने तो आपको गिफ्ट दी है, लेकिन वो जो टैगलाइन है हाउस द जोश वो विक्की कौशल के वजह से हुई है.
भैया ये मूवी प्रोड्यूस तो आदित्य धीर ने और डायरेक्ट आदित्य धीर ने की थी, तो हम तो उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Whatever. See, so we can actually have a debate. So we can have like a Vicky pro or you know
Vicky versus
non-pro.
Janvi.
Haven't you heard that Shah Rukh Khan's dialogue? Remember? ये विक्की निक्की चिक्की विक्की कुछ भी नहीं है.
Vicky टिक्की लिक्की whatever.
Not licky.
But
There you go.
moving forward,
Yes.
So yes, Vicky Kaushal has tested positive. Please ignore that last 5 minutes of chatter. But उसके साथ साथ जैसे हमें पता है आलिया भट्ट tested positive, आमिर खान tested positive, अक्षय कुमार, परेश रावल, and of course now विक्की कौशल. लेकिन विक्की कौशल के बाद आप दोनों दिल थाम के रखिए, उनके साथ टेस्ट हुई हैं पॉजिटिव.
श्रीदेवी.
विक्की कौशल मर गया है क्या?
जानवी तो नहीं है. I'm pretty sure.
No,
she's in Maldives.
I'll give you.
He knows
I'll give
she's
you.
in Maldives.
I'll give you a hint. She had to run to the toilet. So, you know.
She had to run to the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh, Bhumi Pednekar.
Yeah, Bhumi Pednekar also tested COVID-19 positive. Yeah. And they were working together for Shashank Khaitan's film Mr. Lele.
Lele.
So has the standards gone up a little bit? If I went to Bhumi?
Yeah.
I will smack you both.
It did, but I was surprised. Alia?
Yeah, because Ranbir Kapoor got it, so why can't Alia get it? I mean, किच्ची तो होती है ना?
नहीं तो अच्छा तो basically कोविड से एक के साथ एक फ्री एक फेवर कर देते हैं.
Exactly.
तो आलिया?
Exactly.
I love Alia.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So yeah, those are you know updates about COVID in Bollywood.
COVID,
जैसे लोगों को COVID होता जाएगा हम आपको बताते जाएंगे. Honestly, ये कोई ऐसा ग्रेट टॉपिक नहीं है डिस्कस करने के लिए, बट और कोई टॉपिक है ही नहीं बॉलीवुड में फिलहाल.
I know. There's some good news, but we can definitely mention that after the song.
There's in 2019.
No, two really big people are collaborating. I can tell you.
Again, so let me give a hint. Let Sushil guess. They collaborated for something related to toilet. उनको टॉयलेट नहीं होती थी.
हाँ तो भूमि पेडनेकर को टॉयलेट
नहीं.
टॉयलेट नहीं.
पीकू.
हाँ पीकू, ये उनके पिताजी बने थे उसमें.
हाँ लेकिन इसमें तो वो आने वाले थे ना जो परलोक से धर गए.
So the news is Deepika Padukone and Big B are uniting for the remake of this movie, and they're collaborating again, of course, after Pico, as we all know, and it's a Hindi remake of a Hollywood movie called The Intern.
The Intern, yeah.
And Sushil, okay, so the Hollywood movie was originally featured with Robert De Niro and Anna Hathaway in lead roles.
I gotta watch it.
Yeah, The Intern, and now it's Amitabh Bachchan and Deepika Padukone. Lekin Amitabh Bachchan was not the first choice, like Sushil said. It was originally going to be Rishi Kapoor and Deepika Padukone.
Oh, really?
But of course, Rishi Kapoor जी श्रीदेवी के पास पहुंच चुके हैं. Oh, actually,
they're having Chandani part 2.
Yeah, the Chandani team is united up there.
From the director, Yash Chopra, from Yash Chopra to Rishi Kapoor to Sridevi to
isn't it Vinod Khanna?
Vinod Khanna.
Chandni part 2 ऊपर
Didn't Neetu Singh post that? Like the whole Chandni team was all.
Oh, actually, I also posted it. Bye bye to Chandni era.
Oh,
yeah,
you did too.
Yeah. कभी कभार.
So you and Neetu collaborate and just talk to each other.
Well, I like Sridevi in few movies. I don't like her unnecessary purani movies, and I don't accept the fact that she was born.
And let's look at his
everybody
face
is
now.
beautiful.
Let's look at his face.
The fact she was born?
Everybody is beautiful, but she did a lot of work on her face. Okay, so if when people tell me, oh my gosh, she's so pretty, she was born like that, I'm like, no, that's not true.
जब तुम्हारा विकी कौशल कुछ काम करा के इतना वो लग सकता है, तो फिर ये काम करा के अच्छे क्यों नहीं लग सकते?
विकी कौशल ने कुछ नहीं कराया, उसने सिर्फ मेहनत करी है जिम में और जोश से मेहनत करके अपनी मसल्स बनाई है. उसने कोई फेस जॉब, नोज जॉब नहीं किया है.
मसल तो अजय देवगन भी बना सकता है. It's not a big deal.
But yes, the news was Hindi remake of The Intern is going to be coming out very soon. तो
Awesome.
दीपिका पादुकोण एंड अमिताभ बच्चन की ये मूवी है. So एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे ह्यूस्टन के अमिताभ बच्चन जगह है वो, और वो हम सबकी फेवरेट है क्योंकि वो आपका घर है, वो आपका घर है, वो मेरा घर है, हम सबका घर है.
Lovers Point.
So I am talking about India House Houston.
Awesome.
And India House Houston, we all are proud of that place. You all know we have a lot of events, online classes चलती हैं, चाहे वो Zumba हो, चाहे वो yoga हो, चाहे वो Hindi classes हो. But now they have a new addition, which is the personality development workshop for the youth. So it is starting on April 19th, and you may want to go and quickly register because the seats are filling up super duper fast. And just visit indiahousein.org to register, or call the number 713-929-1900 for details. So this is starting April 19th. But of course, this coming Wednesday again, they do have the free food distribution from 11 to noon, and it's at 8888 West Belfort. For all details, visit indiahousehouston.org. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and we want to thank Mr. Ashok Bambani and Mrs. Mohini Bambani. Thank you so much for sponsoring the April month ad of India House. Thank you so much, and thank you for supporting and tuning in.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ, क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ, क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ.
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया, खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा.
Namaste Radio.
On 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Have Medicare questions? Then we have your answers. Anwar Raza, a trusted friend of our community, a local Medicare agent who can help you understand your choices. Anwar Raza has been serving the Houston community since 2007. Medicare plans can be very complicated. He will not only listen to you, but research and find excellent benefits for you. He is your guide to understanding Medicare. Call Anwar Raza today at 832-282-5868. That's 832-282-5868. And visit www.medicaresolutions65.com.
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूँ ना.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit habibikitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for weekend specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918.
Namaste Radio.
That's right. आप सुन रहे हैं हमें नमस्ते रेडियो पे ऑन द वेव्स ऑफ 99.5 FM. मैं हूं सुशील, मेरे साथ है डीजे ढोली दीप और वंशिका. This part of the show is brought to you by my favorite. I know it's probably yours and maybe yours as well, but I know a lot of people enjoy these delicious delicacies and dishes that they have at this restaurant. Like we said last week, it's like having festival in your mouth with different flavors, and it is none other than the best Indo-Chinese food in Houston, which is Arling's Chinese. They're open for dine-in. Of course, curbside pickup is also available 7 days.
Yes. So like Bahubali, they require like a 3-4 year commitment to this movie, and I guess Hrithik was not ready to do that. I think so. So
wow, okay.
Yeah. So that's why now Hrithik got out of the project, and now it's Mahesh Babu, and Mahesh Babu is a Telugu superstar. You know Mahesh Babu?
I've heard of him.
Yeah. Namrata Shirodkar married him.
He has a very straight face. When he acts, he's just a very straight face. That's it, like Rock.
Like The Rock.
ये नहीं समझ में आता कि is he romancing or is he angry. एक ही expression होता है. That's it. That's Mahesh Babu.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But he's a cute-looking guy, so I guess he's just famous. Or I don't know. Maybe Charu needs to tell us why he's so famous. So yes, that is the news about Deepika. लेकिन उसके साथ एक news है Bollywood की. 3-4 और हैं. But let's get into a song, and then we'll be back with more of Bollywood Gupshup.
दूध उबालोगे तो झाग लगेगी, और जो सावन में ऐसे नाचोगी तो आग लगेगी, आग लगेगी, आग लगेगी.
लग गई आग दिल मेरा, सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा. ओ सुनग सीना पागल दीवानी, सुनग सीना पागल दीवानी. आज न सोया सारी, आज न सोया सारी, आज न सोया सारी रात दिल मेरा. सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा.
This is Badshah, right?
This is Badshah.
Badshah and Neha Kakkar.
And Mika Singh.
And Neha Kakkar.
Neha Kakkar, Mika Singh, Badshah, all three.
Neha Kakkar, Mika Singh and Badshah.
और ये कौन सी मूवी का गाना है?
Ginny with Sunny.
Yeah,
Which
the
movie?
Kiara Advani movie.
Which movie?
Kiara Advani.
No, Yami
Sheila
Gautam.
Ki Jawani.
Yami Gautam.
Something like that, right? The Kira's movie?
No.
Hindu Ki Jawani, sorry.
Ginny
Hindu Ki
with
Jawani.
Ginny. No, they made a version of that, but this version is.
Ginny with Sunny. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
got it.
ये तो वही बात हो गई कि टीचर ने क्लास में बच्चों से पूछा कि नॉलेज के लिए पूछा, एक इंटेलिजेंट सवाल था, सोचा कि बच्चे कुछ सीखेंगे, तो टीचर ने बोला बच्चों को, बच्चों बताओ एक ऐसी चीज बताओ जो उड़ती है आसमान में और बच्चे जमीन पे देती है। एक ऐसी चीज बताओ जो उड़ती है आसमान में और बच्चे जमीन पे देती है। तो हमारा जो प्यारा सा दोस्त है वो खड़ा होकर बोला, मिस एयर होस्टेस। उड़ती है आसमान में लेकिन बच्चे जमीन पे देती है।
Air hostess.
Okay.
चिड़िया भी बोल सकता हूँ लेकिन एयर होस्टेस का होस्ट है।
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, Bhusen played that song. Now there was two versions of that. There was one in Hindu Ki Jawani and there was one in Ginny with Sunny.
Oh.
And the main actor of Ginny with Sunny has a new movie coming up.
Who's the main actor of Ginny with Sunny? Vicky Kaushal?
No.
So
it starts with a
he's-
V. It does start with a V.
Yeah, it does start with a V, but
I don't even remember that movie. यार.
वो वेब सीरीज और ये राइट उसके काफी बादशाह बन चुके हैं।
Yeah.
Criminal Justice 1 में he was the main actor.
Oh, that guy. I don't know his name, but yeah.
I have always known him as a Hrithik Roshan lookalike. If you actually come
Roshan
to think
lookalike.
of it, yeah, like a little fake version of Hrithik, but he's an excellent actor, no doubt about it. His name is Vikrant Massey.
Massey.
I don't know how to pronounce that. Messi, or it can't be Messi.
How do you
That's
spell?
soccer.
How do you spell it?
Massey. He's a Punjabi, so
Oh,
you may know.
Massey.
Massey, huh?
Oh, Massey.
So yeah, his name is Vikrant. Let's just stick to that. And he is going to be playing a forensic officer in the Hindi remake of this movie. ये सारी remake ही हैं.
By charging an extravagant amount of fees to his producers. और वो
20 crore, 30 crore.
No, वो तो कोई भी नहीं, 40-50 करोड़ होता है यार.
Oh really?
Yeah, वो 10-15 करोड़ का जमाना उतना तो शायद कपूर चार्ज करता है, 10-15 करोड़. Seriously.
Yeah.
So he wants to take the burden off the producers. And he says, I will be part of the project, so I'll take the 50% risk. If the movie makes money, then I'll split the profits with you. 50% I'll take. Otherwise, if the movie loses money, I don't take any single money. I don't take a penny.
Wow. So that is his business
So
model.
he's the one who started this trend. So that's why he got into production afterwards, and then everybody else followed. Salman Khan followed. Salman Khan makes his own movies now. So does Amir Khan. Shah Rukh Khan does the same thing, and Saif Ali Khan initially did it, but since his movies were not working, he's back to web series and booking for.
So what if the movie doesn't do well?
He doesn't take a single penny, no?
So then he's wasted so much time.
That's why it's very choosy. He does one movie in 2 years.
So they better do well.
His movies are good, like Dangal has done phenomenal business in China. If you believe it or not, it's the biggest hit in Indian cinema in China. It did over 1,000 crores of business actually.
Even more than didn't Bahubali go?
Together, no. Yeah, Dangal did about 1,000 crores. Bahubali did over 1,000 crores.
Oh wow.
But Dangal is the biggest Indian movie hit ever in China in itself.
Wow.
So yeah, for what you just explained, his business model, he said that I've stopped taking money up front and I don't charge a single rupee for my film. If a film does well, first the investment is recouped, whatever they've invested, and then when everyone is paid, I'm the last one to get the money.
Takes profits.
And I earn a percentage of profits. So if a film doesn't work, I won't make the money because I am the main lead and I'm responsible for it. And if it loses money, then I don't feel like taking any money. Then I'm responsible for it. So that's so nice.
That's why he's very picky. And if you notice, if a movie doesn't do well, he doesn't work with the director again.
Oh, that's why he does. He said he won't work with the Doom director, right?
Vijay Krishnacharya.
Yeah.
He was Doom 3 did well actually, and then he worked with them in that Thugs of Hindustan. So it was the same director. Yes, sure. But after that, I don't think he's.
Thugs of Hindustan में उसका कोई $1 भी नहीं बना होगा मतलब पैसा.
Movie didn't even do 200 crores of worth of business.
Oh yeah.
But what were they thinking? Like literally, sometimes like when people like Amir or Amitabh Bachchan are a part of that movie, like when they go see the entire movie, I'm sure they already know in their head that oh God ये क्या हो गया, right?
नहीं कभी-कभी क्या होता है when the narration happens is different, right? So when movie's being narrated, and then when the screenplay happens, the product. The byproduct that comes out is not exactly it comes different. So so what might sound good on paper, it might not look on the screen. So.
Oh, okay.
That's right. तभी लड़का आपको देख के पसंद करना चाहिए, पे फोटो देख के नहीं पसंद करना चाहिए.
नहीं तो अपना अपने है ना साउथ इंडियंस है ना IT वाले hey late dosa they're very rich by the way.
Seriously, Sushil.
Yeah.
Moving forward, Konkana Sen Sharma and Arjun Rampal
Are together?
No. Their upcoming movies is finished shooting हो गई है, and then now that's going to come up, which is The Rapist. Now I wonder who is the rapist. Konkana and Arjun.
Vicky Kaushal.
Oh my God! Please keep my Vicky away from this. I mean, हमारे Vicky. So yes, it is a movie about, you know, of course कुछ rape involved है, लेकिन I look forward to it because I'm a very big Konkana Sen fan,
yeah.
And of course Arjun Rampal has over the years he has started acting. I mean, can you imagine him during those हाँ मेरा दीवाना?
Wow.
He did start acting Daddy.
What is Daddy? Yeah.
No, he had 2 roles in Daddy. एक तो उसने movie बनाई थी Daddy, which didn't work well. Then he became a daddy in real life again. So
no, Daddy was one of the gangster movie that he did, right?
Arun Gavli.
He made it himself. Yeah.
Ask him na, your best buddy. He'll tell you.
My best buddy. Who's my best buddy?
Rahul.
Oh, okay.
He's from Mumbai, na?
Yeah.
Arun Gavli was a don of Mumbai.
I'm sure he'll know about that.
Yeah. Mumbaikas know about Arun Gavli.
Oh, okay.
He was a prominent guy and he had given to politics.
Okay.
So yeah, this is about his upcoming movie, and let's get into a song and then we will be back.
क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते।
जैसा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा।
That was from the movie Wake Up Sid, right?
Wake Up Sid, right?
Yeah.
With Ranbir Kapoor and Konkana Sen, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
And सबको बताते चलें, this part of our show is brought to you by Classy Diva Salon and Spa, located in KT 937 South Mason Road. So they have a special आपके लिए for the month of April, ultrasonic fruit facial, and किसी भी Tuesday आप appointment book कर सकते हैं. You have 3 more Tuesdays left, and the facial is only for $30. Can't get better than this, guys. So Classy Diva Salon and Spa, located in KD, and follow them on Facebook and Instagram for their, if you want to get an appointment or for any further details. And also you can call them directly at 281-646-0100. But if you want to text and get an appointment directly with Ruby, all you have to do is text her at 856-693-8970. So let's get into our next ad break, and then we will be back with some local khabre.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get
Join Youth Leadership Development Program of Houston. For the past 15 years, nurturing Indo-American youth to develop leadership skills. Program consists of student sessions with high-profile leaders in science, technology, entrepreneurship, art and law. Public speaking on topics from Harvard Business Review's book on leadership. Service projects and field trips to organizations like Houston Food Bank. Now, accepting applications for YLDP from 11th and 12th graders. For more details, visit yldphouston.org.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832। Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Favor apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at
Maharaja Bhog.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Bogembo. Bushua.
वेलकम बैक। आप लोग सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो और हम आते हैं हर सैटरडे सुबह 10 बजे। कोशिश करते हैं अपनी तरफ से अच्छा एक शो लाने की, लेकिन कभी कभार ऊपर नीचे चीज़ें होती रहती हैं, हमें इसकी आदत होती रहती है। लेकिन एक जगह है जो आप लोग को ज़रूर जाना है, बिकॉज स्पेशली अभी रमज़ान का महीना शुरू होने वाला है, तो आप ज़रूर जाइए हबीबी किचन। एंड हबीबी किचन में स्पेशल रमज़ान के लिए आप लोगों के लिए उन्होंने एक डील निकाली है विच इज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड। आज से इट गोज़ इन एंड इट्स टिल 22 अप्रैल। इट इज़ बाय वन वेज या नॉन वेज प्लेटर, राइस प्लेटर एंड यू विल गेट वन फ्री। सो आपके चॉइसेस हैं, आप चिकन शर्मा ले सकते हैं राइस प्लेटर में, या मिक्स शर्मा विच इज़ बीफ एंड लैम, और फलाफल ऑल्सो विच इज़ वेजिटेरियन एंड वेगन एक्चुअली। एंड एनी टाइम यू बाय दिस 22 अप्रैल तक आपको एक फ्री मिलेगा। मूव। एंड ये जो प्लेटर आता है संदीप, इसमें होता है आपका मीट, जो भी आपका नहीं, जो आप खा रहे हैं, राइस होता है, एंड आपको सैलड मिलती है, सलादा, एंड माय फेवरेट हमस।
Okay.
So it's only $9.99. Okay, so again क्वांटिटी बहुत अच्छी है। हम जब गए थे हमने देखा है। सो बाय वन गेट वन फ्री, $10 में आपको 2 मिलेंगी। सो इट्स अ ग्रेट डील गाइस। इट स्टार्ट्स टुडे, इट्स टिल 22nd, एंड द प्लेस यू हैव टू गो अगेन इज हबीबी किचन। फॉलो देम ऑन Facebook, Instagram. They are you know who he is, right?
Yeah, of course.
Sushil, you know who Sharat Kelkar is? Sushil, welcome back, Sushil.
You're welcome.
He has been so busy on his phone. So Sharat Kelkar आप जानते हैं, right?
He played that Kinder role in Lakshmi.
He was the main Lakshmi basically. Yeah, he played the main role of Lakshmi. उन्हीं की आत्मा अक्षय कुमार के अंदर आ जाती है. And he also played Shivaji Maharaj in Tanaji.
He was a voice for Bahubali, the Hindi version. Yeah.
So and he's played like millions of roles. Yeah, I there's so many times like you don't remember the name of the movies, but you know he was there. And his voice, like you said, is amazing. So now he's finally coming into like अभी उनकी खुद की एक movie आने वाली है. So that is what I was very excited about. And I was like, yeah, this guy, genuinely deserves a big blockbuster himself. But of course, ये खान-वान लोग आने नहीं देते हैं ज़्यादा.
Okay.
Right? I mean, that is true. So he'll be playing a solo lead in it.
साल में लेते हो, flu shot every year लेते हो, तो you'll have to take booster shots every year for COVID as well. So it's going to be around, but not.
Have gone up. If you have seen, हमारे Fort Bend वासी can go on fbcat.org, and I'm sure for Harris County is hcat.org, and so forth, whatever county you are in. Our appraisal has gone up pretty bad. I was like, what? क्यों इतना ज़्यादा क्या हो गया? News एक थी, लेकिन उससे पहले we'll take a song break and we will come back. But unfortunately, जैसे बोलते हैं हमारे देसी community में we don't want to talk about mental illness.
Yeah.
And people try to rub it off like नहीं कुछ है ही नहीं, you know, like ठीक है कुछ नहीं है. But it is there, and this episode is one of the biggest proof of that. 6 family members were shot to death in Texas after brothers formed murder-suicide pact. And this was in Texas. And the brothers were 19 years old and 21 years old. They shot their parents, their sister, who was again 19-year-old, one twin, and a grandmother. So this, what happened is a lengthy note went, Farhan Tawheed, uska naam ko, and ultimately they killed themselves.
You know what this reminds me of? Amityville Horror. In that movie, have you seen the movie Amityville Horror?
No.
You haven't seen? There's so many of
No, I haven't seen
they come up with different every 10 years. So usme bhi, the son actually, he goes when the parents are sleeping at night, the sisters, the brothers, he goes and shoots everybody, right? And when the police catches him, he said the devil made me do it.
No, in this he shot himself. Everybody, सबको अपने आप को मार दिया. So his main reason was he wanted to commit suicide, which he had tried in the past. Sandeep, can you reduce the volume on the background a little bit? Sorry.
अकेला कर लेता.
So he wanted to commit suicide, but at the same time, he didn't want his family to be left behind. He wanted to kill all of them and kill himself and then go.
Why? He wanted to meet everybody.
I don't know. He was suffering through a mental illness, Sushil. So that is what we are trying to talk, that we don't know what exactly happened. Yeah. But at the same time, I feel sometimes our Desi families don't consider mental illness as an illness. They try to say कि नहीं कुछ नहीं है कुछ नहीं है कुछ नहीं है, you know.
देखो भाई अपनी life में बहुत simple philosophy है. Nobody should take their life because life is a beautiful gift. Live it completely.
Yeah.
अगर आपसे, I mean, I'm not saying करो वगैरह, लेकिन you have no right to take anybody else's life. You have responsibility towards yours, but not anybody.
But again, you're ignoring the main fact. You can say that to a normal person, but someone who's going through a mental illness.
Seek help, dude.
That's what I'm trying to say, Sushil. Seek help is easier said than done. because it is such a big taboo in our community, in Desi community, it doesn't happen.
अब मैं उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकता ना. मैं उसमें क्या करूँ? मैं
and I don't want to take the name of this organization. I had worked very closely with them last year, and they actually said when we did a survey, we found out that more than 75 to 80% of Desi people, they don't consider mental illness as part of an illness category. Like नहीं ठीक है, ठीक हो जाएगा. But yes, this is what
Alzheimer's
happened.
are not considered mental illnesses in Desi
That
community?
is, but mental illness is not only Alzheimer's. It is about
Depression.
depression.
Yeah, it's a mental illness.
Yes.
So
No,
that's
but
not
a lot of Desi people don't consider depression as mental illness, which is very sad.
Because yeah, a lot of people use depression as a weapon. That's why. हर चीज में कुछ भी अब मुझे डिप्रेशन हो गया. अबे मतलब भी पता है डिप्रेशन का क्या होता है.
Yeah, that is also true. Yes. So yeah, that was sad news. But at the same time, we have some festivals coming up. But due to lack of time, I won't be able to talk about it right now. But we will talk about it towards the end of the show. And but I want to take this moment and wish my mother-in-law, Sushil ke mom, a very happy birthday. उनका बर्थडे है 13th को.
Happy birthday, mami.
So happy birthday. और ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ जन्मदिन दी बहुत बधाइयाँ.
Whose name is Twanan?
अरे मैंने थोड़ी बहुत उनके लिए पंजाबी सीखी यार.
Happy birthday, Robert.
Yeah. So नहीं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ जन्मदिन दिया बहुत बधाइयाँ.
Happy birthday, mom! If you're listening, we wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have fun, enjoy your time, and be safe and take vaccines.
Yes, and we will have some update from even Gauri Siddhivinayak Temple towards the end of the show.
That's right. Keep it locked here. Namaste Radio with myself, Dolly D, Vanchika, and Sushil. Lots more to come. Don't go anywhere.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Surgically enhanced to sound louder, better, bigger, because size really does matter. And everything's bigger in Texas.
99.5 FM K258BZ Sugarland and 99.5 FM K258DA Houston. Radio Dabang is powered by Discount Power. Go to discountpowertx.com today. The views and opinions expressed on the following program are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of RD Broadcasting LLC, Radio Dabang 99.5 FM, or its affiliates. Individual programmers are responsible for their own content. If you have concerns regarding the following programming, please send an email to info@radiodabang.com.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio.
Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly D.
Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone.
Namaste Radio.
Have Medicare questions? Then we have your answers. Anwar Raza, a trusted friend of our community, a local Medicare agent who can help you understand your choices. Anwar Raza has been serving the Houston community since 2007. Medicare plans can be very complicated. He will not only listen to you, but research and find excellent benefits for you. He is your guide to understanding Medicare. Call Anwar Raza today at 832-282-5868. That's 832-282-5868. And visit www.medicaresolutions65.com.
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit habibikitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for weekend specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
With spring comes a new season, new life, and a new hope for these uncertain times. Spread love, joy, and delicious Allings food. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Allings spreads the cheer. Dine-in, pickup, or DoorDash, an exquisite meal from Allings today. Halal menu available? Visit allingschinese.com.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to say a big thank you to all our clients and friends for supporting us and making our VIP Text Club launch event a great success. We invite you back to revive your skin with an ultrasonic fruit facial any Tuesday in the month of April for just $30.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Working from home? Cooking in the kitchen? Working out? Or just need something to listen to at home? Now listen to Namaste Radio on Amazon Alexa products.
Hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live.
That's right. Listen to us anywhere in the world on Amazon Alexa products.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 99.5 FM. You can also listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our app, available on iPhone and Android products. And while I watch these two dance, I'm just going to also let you know that you can watch us on Facebook Live, see all the Hungama going here, and see these two people, very lovely people dancing, giving me that
Sushil and I keep ourselves entertained. हम घर पे एक दूसरे से बात करें नहीं करें, हम अपनी जिंदगी में मस्त
Or is it because you're kind of spaced right now? You're like, हाँ चलो, I need some.
No, it's okay. We are always together and spaced. अब वो मेरी आंखों के सामने है, तो that's better than side.
We are not twins, ना जोड़े नहीं है ना.
जुड़वा ली. Well, yes, watch us live on our Facebook Live and do subscribe to all of our pages at Namaste Radio 3, YouTube, and Facebook. This part right here, top of the hour, is brought to you by Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, who has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. That's where I was getting auto something, right? Promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. They have 3 locations, Sugarland, Med Center Houston, and West Houston area. Call her for appointments today, 713-520-6875. That's 713-520-6875. Visit our website, bozenhealth.com. Again, 713-520-6875. So yes, you were talking in the before the break that we have some festivals, right?
That's right. बहुत ही ज़्यादा festival week है ये.
It's a lot, right? One after the other.
Yes, and actually it's like one festival but with different names in all around India. So to start with, this week on 13th, Tuesday, is Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, and Vaisakhi. So now Ugadi is it's the same thing. New Year, you know.
Yeah.
But Ugadi is called in Karnataka and Andhra side. So all the Kannadigas and the Telugu people, they celebrate. So happy Ugadi, Charu and Ritish. Happy Ugadi to you all.
Happy Ugadi, guys.
And everybody who's celebrating. And Gudi Padwa is all Maharashtrians call it Gudi Padwa. So all
happy
to
Gudi
all.
Padwa, Rahul Shraddha.
I know. Happy Gudi Padwa to you all.
Happy Gudi
and
Padwa,
to everybody
Rahul Shraddha.
celebrating. All the Maharashtrians. And Vaisakhi. आप दोनों नु वैसाखी दिया लख लख बधाइयां
Yes.
So yes, it's Ugadi, Gudi Padwa and Vaisakhi on the same day. So happy New Year, happy to all parts of India. है सब सेम चीज अलग अलग नाम है अलग अलग जगह पे सेलिब्रेट करे बट सेलिब्रेट
And this one I didn't know. I thought it was only one time of the year, but it's on Navratri
so
too, right?
the other Navratri which happens during October, November before the Dashera is Navratri. This is Chaitra Navratri, which is again the 9 days of worshipping Parvati Durga Mata, and it ends with the Ram Navami. So this is the Ram Navami. While growing up, this is how I learned the Ram Navami Navratri and the Dashera Navratri. So yes, and we do have a message from Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple by Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji, and thank you so much, and here it goes.
नमस्ते वंशिका बहन, सुशील भाई, दीप कुमार, मैं पंडित जी बोल रहा हूँ गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल से। मंदिर का पता है 5645 हिलक्राफ्ट एवेन्यू, शूट नंबर 701, ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास 77036। और अभी शुरू हो रहा है चैत्र मास, और चैत्र मास में भी पूर्णिमा आ रही है। तो अप्रैल संडे 25/2021 को हमने हनुमान जयंती की पूजा रखी है और शनिश्चर का भी हवन रखा है। तो महापूजा स्टार्ट है 4 o'clock और महायज्ञ है 5 PM और पूर्णाहुति है 6:30 और महाआरती है 7 बजे। उसके बाद महाप्रसाद भी रखा गया है। तो आप सब लोग ज़रूर आइए मंदिर में, भगवान को दर्शन कीजिए और प्रसाद भी आप ग्रहण कर ज़रूर जा सकते हैं। मंदिर का पता है, ये आपका मंदिर है, आपके लिए है, आपका ही रहेगा। तो आपको जो भी श्रद्धा से डोनेशन देना है तो आप दे सकते हैं मंदिर को। मंदिर का पता है अगेन 5645 हिलक्राफ्ट एवेन्यू, शूट नंबर 701, ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास 77036। और मंदिर का टेलीफोन नंबर है 832-466-9868। थैंक यू सो मच वंशिका बहन, सुशील भाई, दीप कुमार, थैंक यू।
Thank you Pandit ji, thank you so much for your blessings. And yes, Deep Kumar ji यहाँ पे हमारे साथ हैं, सुशील कुमार भी हैं, वंशिका कुमारी भी हैं. So yes, talking about that, next week we have Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Vaisakhi and Chaitra Navratri starting. And to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, very 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 happy Ramadan मुबारक आप सबको.
रमजान मुबारक
भाइयों. Holy month में आप सब have a good month, and again Ramadan मुबारक. So ये सारे festivals साथ में आ रहे हैं, and
I always
it's
look
just
forward to Ramadan, by
happiness.
the way.
I look forward to Ramzan every year and Eid after that going eating.
Exactly. So मेरा वही एक motive है.
हाँ. सुशील को सिर्फ इफ्तार पार्टियों में इंटरेस्ट रहता है.
इफ्तार पार्टी नहीं बोलते उसको. I've not been to an iftar party actually.
इफ्तार parties and then after that Eid क्या buffet.
Eid buffets. जो उसके बाद जो ईद का मेला लगता है ना, Eid buffets. Every restaurant has they bring the best and best dishes out.
That's right.
So that's what I look forward to.
So yes, सब जो भी मना रहे हैं दिल से मनाइए, शिद्दत से मनाइए, ऊपर वाले को याद करके मनाइए and रमजान मुबारक आप सबको. So now I'll hand it over to Sandeep because we have a very special guest waiting to talk to all of us.
That's right. That's right. This is 99.5 FM with Namaste Radio. At this time, I have a very special guest from this place is rocking right now in the heart of Hillcroft. It is one and only Bob's Lounge and Grill. That's right. Bob's Lounge and Grill in the heart of Hillcroft. And at this time, I have the very special person, the man from Bob's. I have Samir on the phone. Samir, good morning. What's up, man?
Good morning, Sandeep. Thank you so much for the introduction.
Yeah, as always, as always. How are you? How are you doing on this Saturday morning?
Good, good. Nothing just much. Just excited for Bob's to open up.
Yeah. Oh, waiting for that 5 o'clock hour, right?
Yeah.
So tell us more, Samir, about at Bob's Lounge and Grill. What's been going on? And we're in the month of April now. We're just 4 months in. So why don't you tell our Namaste Radio listeners what's been going on at Bob's Lounge and Grill?
Well, now we're in the month of April. We've been open for over a year now, so it's a big milestone for us.
Yeah.
And Bob's Lounge and Grill, and like you said, it's been very, very successful. We're in the heart of Houston, located right off of Hillcroft and 59.
Yeah.
And we've expanded our menu. We've expanded our place. We've added more seating. And we have a lot more families coming, and we're adding a whole DJ section just for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
When you come, you're going to have your own gig ready to go.
Awesome,
and,
man. Yeah.
Overall, it's been very special, and we've been having a lot of fun.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, yeah, now that you mentioned a new thing that's happening there, so you guys have added a new section now, which is like more like a VIP feel, and which is going to have like the DJ section also, right?
Correct. We added a whole new section, and we're adding all these new cool exotic drinks to the menu. And it's just we've had to do it because of the demand, and overall people feel more comfortable.
Yeah.
And people are definitely going to like it, what we're going to set up.
That's awesome. All right. So you were talking about special events that they've been doing too at Bob's. If they want to do a special event, what kind of events can they do, and how can they reach out to you guys if they want to do a special event there?
Well, throughout the whole year, we've been even before we started doing events officially, people basically just came up to us and said, "Hey, I want to do a birthday party here, or I want to do a corporate meeting here when you guys open up." Or any type of event such as anniversary party or birthday, like I said.
Yeah.
So all they have to do is reach out to us either on any social media platform, or they can call us at 281-974-4918. And we can easily set up any event they'd like. And also we do decorations, and we can also do the whole catering for them depending on what they want to, offer. And we offer different types of packages as well. That makes everything easy for people to kind of just come in and enjoy it, along with their music and drinks and whatnot.
Awesome. So along with that, you were just saying you were adding some new things to the menu. I know you mentioned the exotic drinks. You're adding some more new food items to the menu.
Yes. We've expanded the whole seafood section. You'll find calamari there. Now you'll get jumping chicken, if you know what that is. These are all you get mussels and beef asado. These are very unique dishes, especially from Goa.
Oh, the Goan style. Yeah.
The Goan style fish, and you get the pomfret, which people are loving. The pomfret fry or the pomfret curry.
Awesome.
And like I said, the jumping chicken, calamari. We always have the kingfish ready to go.
Yeah. Very cool.
It's the menu is definitely getting bigger and better, and people are always loving the food.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So along with bringing your family there, dining in, enjoying the experience, and having a good time, and nothing but positive vibes, you also can do takeout, and you have delivery options also available, right?
Yes, definitely. So we're exclusively with Uber Eats. If you want to do a takeout order, or you can call us directly at 281-974-4918 and place your order, and you can always pick it up, or you can also do curbside delivery.
Yeah.
And like I said, our exclusive delivery partner is also Uber Eats.
All right.
So it's very convenient nowadays, and people also are using that option a lot, and we can get a lot of takeout orders, and it's very convenient for everyone overall.
Nice. So why don't you tell our listeners the phone number to Bob's again, and where they can see the menu, online, website, and social media.
Bob's Lounge and Grill, located at 6401 Hillcroft Street, Houston, Texas 77081. Our phone number is 281-974-4918. Our website is bobsloungeandgrill.com. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
And our menu is available on the website, on Uber Eats, and also if you just Google our page, you'll see the menu as well.
Awesome. So yes, that's bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like them on Facebook and Instagram. Samir, before I let you go, anything else you'd like to say to our Namaste Radio listeners?
Just that we appreciate your guys, having us on quite often, and definitely giving us all the attention. And likewise, we do the same. We appreciate the and we're very happy to do you guys. It's over years since we've opened Bob, and it's been happy for us. Thank you so much for what you do for us.
Yeah, sorry, you're cutting off a little bit there, but again, thank you for coming on air. You want to just give the phone number to Bob's and website one more time?
And the phone number is 281-974-4918. Website is bobsloungeandgrill.com.
That's 281-974-4918, bobsloungeandgrill.com. Samir, thank you so much for taking the time out, coming on air with us right here on 99.5 FM. I will see you very, very soon at Bob's, and thank you for supporting Namaste Radio. Hope you have a great weekend. Thank you again for coming on air.
Thank
you. See you soon, man. That was Samir from Bob's Lounge and Grill. Call him today at 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. We're going to get into a quick break. Right after this, all of you get your phones ready because we have a giveaway coming up. So keep it locked here on 99.5 FM.
Namaste Radio.
On 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Join Youth Leadership Development Program of Houston. For the past 15 years, nurturing Indo-American youth to develop leadership skills. Program consists of student sessions with high-profile leaders in science, technology, entrepreneurship, art and law. Public speaking on topics from Harvard Business Review's book on leadership. Service projects and field trips to organizations like Houston Food Bank. Now, accepting applications for YLDP from 11th and 12th graders. For more details, visit yldphouston.org.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes be available hain. For details, call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
In a world where you have many choices, there's only one channel, one frequency. With our voices, our music, and our creative uniqueness. Namaste Radio.
I got scared for a second. So आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो। Really? So yes, welcome back. That was a short break. And संदीप, जाने से पहले तुमने एक धमाका किया. What was that? You said कुछ होने वाला है अभी this segment.
Oh yes, that's right. We got giveaway this segment.
Woohoo! Yep. So what is the giveaway?
This giveaway.
We're giving Sandeep away.
So we just spoke to Samir from Bob's Lounge and Grill, and they've been very kind to tell you guys that they're gonna give you a gift certificate to Bob's Lounge Grill, and it's gonna be a $20 gift certificate towards the food.
Wow!
So $20 food gift certificate to Bob's Lounge and Grill. That's right.
लेकिन उससे पहले मैं सबको बता दूं या रिमाइंड करा दूं, because the deadline is April 30th, which is like probably 3 weeks from now, and next week we will be talking to them. I am talking about YLDP, Youth Leadership Development Program of Houston. They have been nurturing Indo-American future leaders since 2007. They have been providing high school juniors and seniors of Indian origin living in the greater Houston area a unique opportunity to develop their leadership skills. So definitely I have seen this program. I have seen kids, someone I know very closely, went through this program, benefited a lot out of it. They even make them, go meet the CEOs of big companies, talk to them, basically, help them with their leadership skills. So YLDP doing this since 2007. Admissions of class 2021-2022 is open, and the deadline is 30th April. Easiest way to get those admissions rolling, you can go fill the form at yldphouston.org. That's www.yldphouston.org. The deadline is 30th April. Don't wait for that. Right away, go check it out. Even if you are listening and you want your kid, your daughter or your son to be a part of this, aaj hi jaiye, visit the website yldphouston.org.
That is right. So I think now it is time to do a giveaway.
Absolutely.
While my man here is chugging down his coffee, so
which he's reheated like a million times.
He's chugging it down like I drink pegs. Like I drink my pegs, he's doing it this coffee that way.
Coffee ka peg.
But yes,
I'm ready.
Okay. So like Sandeep said, this giveaway is brought to you by Bob's Lounge and Grill, and we're very thankful to them. So we have 4 giveaways, right?
4.
$20 each everyone.
Yes.
And the only important part मैं आपको बता दूँ, this is towards the food at Bob's Lounge and Grill. Please don't go and tell them ये मुझे 2 पैक दे दो $20 के. That's not happening. It's only towards
the food. Yes.
So if you participate, you will be asked to message us with your name, phone number, email on our Namaste Radio Facebook page. So आप नंबर लिख लीजिए जहाँ पे आपको कॉल करना है. You can also WhatsApp but we will give preference to the callers, right? Because
Yes.
वो एक extra effort आता है.
That's
So
right.
our number to call is
713-974-4000. Get those phones ready. 713-974-4000. How about you quiz him real quick?
Yes.
And this won't count towards the giveaway.
Yes.
Sorry, Sushil.
So I'll be asking, the question is for everyone,
Yeah.
but जो भी answer social देंगे on air, please don't call and give the same answer because we are not going to count that.
Oh, so I'm participating too?
You are, but
So can I get Bob's Lounge and Grill?
No.
No, that's fine. Get the gift certificate for towards food.
Just give me just
fine, just give me a butter chicken.
Okay, just give me 2 movies, okay? Not more than 2
Two
movies. No. Question. Listen to the question.
He's ready to jump in like that.
Chandni Mashan.
So the question is, आप हमें 2 मूवी देंगे, लेकिन जो लिसनर हमें कॉल करेंगे, they have to give me 3 movies.
Yeah.
And the name of actors and actresses in that. So Sushil or the listeners, give me names of movie and actors which had a love triangle.
Which had a love triangle.
Only 2 movies. Give me
Only 2 movies.
Sushil only 2, okay?
ये दिल लगी चांदनी.
But ये दिल लगी में कौन कौन है ये भी तो बताओ.
अक्षय कुमार है, सैफ अली खान है, भगवान उसका भला करे, और वो भी है ना, काजोल. लव ट्रायंगल हो गया.
That's right. Answer
चांदनी
1.
के बारे में तो हम बात कर
हाफ
चुके हैं
बटर
ऑलरेडी.
चिकन मिल गया.
चांदनी के बारे में तो हम बात कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. तीनों ऊपर है.
श्रीदेवी है.
श्रीदेवी है, भगवान उसका भी भला करे. वो है यार,
ऋषि कपूर है.
ऋषि कपूर तो पता है उसका क्या नाम है उसका?
अक्षय खन्ना
का डैड.
विनोद
खन्ना.
There you go.
So yeah, so that's right. That is how we are playing. So आप हमें कॉल करिए. बहुत ही easy है guys.
Yeah.
आप हमें कॉल करिए.
बटर चिकन.
Yes, you did.
Yes.
Did I win?
But you have to give me 3 movies. Name of 3 movies and actors and actresses जो भी जिनका triangle था. So any 3 movies. It could be from 1940s to अभी current.
The current, yeah.
But 1940s होगी तो मुझे Google करना पड़ेगा. So yes, the number again is 713-974-4000 and you will win a $20 food gift certificate to Bob's Lounge and Grill. You can always to go also if you don't want to sit and eat. So yeah, Bob's Lounge and Grill के लिए call us 713-974-4000.
That's right. So question or the giveaway again to win it is give us 3 Bollywood movies which had a love triangle.
But not the name of the same movies which I said.
No, not
can't repeat the
Chandni or
same.
not
The
Ye
one
Dil
that
Lagi.
can't repeat the same one Sushil did. But yeah, name 3 movies and the actors and actresses in it which had Bollywood love triangles. And
There's so many of them.
I can like think already 10.
There's
like,
so many of them.
Just 10 already.
So call us in the studio 713-974-4000. That's 713-974-4000. Winner will get a $20 food gift certificate to Bob's Lounge and Grill.
That's
Again, our
right.
studio line 713-974-4000. 3 movies which had a love triangle. 713-974-4000.
दिल ये फिसला 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 तेरे गोरे बदन पे फिसला तेरे गुलाबी होंठों को देख मैं तो पिघला 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 तुझको ले जाऊंगा मैं खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के खींच के खींच के खींच के आंख मीच के आंख मीच के आंख मीच के हाय हाय खींच के खींच के खींच के आंख मीच के आंख मीच के आंख मीच के हाय हाय आय मटक 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 चलती है आय चटक 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 बाल चलती है बड़ा संभलती है जान निकलती है हाथ लगा दूं तो हंसी सी गलती है ये मेरी गलती है पर इतना भी हॉट नहीं होना चाहिए यार तुझको लगाऊंगी मैं खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे बेबी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे
doing a giveaway right now, getting some responses on WhatsApp. But yes, if you want to win a $20 food gift certificate to Bob's Lounge and Grill, call us in the studio 713-974-4000. Give us 3 Bollywood movies which had a love triangle. Again, our studio line is 713-974-4000.
मैं
Sure, go ahead.
But that won't be counted. So we've already gotten 2 answers on WhatsApp. So 2 gift certificates are gone. You have 2 more options. So all you have to do is call 713-974-4000 and give us a movie which had a love triangle. But you can't say Ye Dil Lagi. You can't say Chandni. And मेरा है पता है क्या?
Which one?
कुछ कुछ होता है
बहुत कुछ होता है
बहुत कुछ.
Right?
Yeah, so Shah Rukh, Salman, Kajol, right?
No, Rani, Shah Rukh and Kajol.
Rani, Shah Rukh.
I know one more.
Oh yeah, that too. Shah Rukh, Salman. Oh, that was the main one.
Yeah.
But there's also there's a double love triangle.
Yeah, there was a double love triangle. So I get 2 gift certificate. Oh, we have another one. Someone calling. But आप कुछ कुछ होता है नहीं कह सकते. आप ये दिल लगी नहीं कह सकते और आप चांदनी नहीं कह सकते.
Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hello, my name is Vidya.
Hi Vidya.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
And which part of the Greater Houston area are you calling from?
I'm calling from Richmond.
Oh, Richmond. It sounds like my town.
ये तो हमारे neighbor निकले.
Yes, हम भी रिचमंड के ही हैं. तो आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी है लव ट्रायंगल वाली मूवीज?
Yeah, the first one I would say is Kal Ho Na Ho.
Very good. Kal Ho Na. Very good.
That had Preeti Zinta, Saif Ali Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. Of course.
Saruk.
क्या बात है? And then
and the second one is again Shah Rukh Khan movie, that is Dil To Pagal Hai.
That's right. I think शाहरुख खान ने बहुत ज्यादा लव ट्रायंगल्स करे हैं.
तो उसका इलाज क्यों नहीं करते?
शाहरुख खान को मल्टीपल लोगों से प्यार हो जाता है. So दिल तो पागल है में कौन थे? I mean of course शाहरुख.
शाहरुख and Karishma.
क्या बात है. And the third movie Vidya.
Yeah, तीसरा movie है the best one I like it. Dil To no, not that. हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
क्या बात है. Yes, and who are the actors in हम दिल दे चुके सनम?
Oh yes, very famous. Salman, Aishwarya and Ajay Devgan.
There you go.
Wonderful.
Very nice.
So Vidya told us हम दिल दे चुके सनम, दिल तो पागल है and कल हो ना हो. Congratulations Vidya, you won a gift certificate to food gift certificate to Bob's. Messages on our Namaste Radio Facebook page and you will get all the details how you can get it.
Okay.
Thank you so much for participating and listening.
Thank you. I love your radio.
Thank you so much.
We love you too.
Thank you. Have a good day.
तो क्या मूवी का नाम था, फटाफट बता दो.
So हमारी मूवीज जो जा चुकी हैं वो हैं कुछ कुछ होता है, कल हो ना हो, दिल तो पागल है एंड और क्या बताई थी, हम दिल दे चुके सनम, ये दिल लगी एंड चांदनी.
Wait, let's let this caller see. Namaste Radio, you're on air.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Hello, are you there?
Hello. Yes, yes.
Yes. Who's this?
This is Shreya.
Hi Shreya, you're calling from? Richmond.
Yes.
Another Richmond.
लगता है आप सारे नमस्ते रेडियो लिसनर्स रिचमंड से कॉल कर रहे हैं. So yes Shreya, tell us कौन सी है ये 3 movies, but we already have few movies that we have people have told, so वो मत बताइएगा.
What's it?
Your voice is not clear. Sorry, say that again.
मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
Correct. मुझसे दोस्ती correct है. ऋतिक रोशन है and रानी है and
Hrithik.
Salman Khan. Yes, absolutely. And what's your second movie?
You're cutting off. Alings, did you say? That's what I heard.
Hello.
Yes.
Now we can hear you. Try saying the second movie again, Shreya.
Can you hear? You're cutting off completely. Anil Kapoor. I heard Anil Kapoor. That's
I heard only Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
Do one thing, Shreya. Why don't you WhatsApp it to us at 713-974-4000 or try calling us back.
I did WhatsApp. but I did not write name.
Okay, we'll message back and we'll confirm. But I have you. Don't worry. I have you, Shreya. So thank you so much for calling us.
No problem.
Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Good?
Good. Who is this calling?
You know me. Don't make me.
We know. Who could this
We
be?
know you.
You know me.
We know you.
I am Feroz.
Feroz.
Sorry, who?
Feroz.
Hi, Feroz. How are you?
Fine, good. One is Silsila.
Silsila. That's right. And who are the actors in it?
Amitabh.
And actresses. उनका love triangle किसके साथ था, Feroz?
श्रीदेवी.
Rakhi.
That's right.
Rekha.
Okay.
रेखा एंड तीसरी कौन थी जो उनकी लव ट्रायंगल में थर्ड एंगल थी?
Sorry, I can't remember.
जो उनकी लाइफ की रियल हीरोइन है.
जिया बहादुरी.
जया बच्चन. That's right. And give me 2 more movies. सागर. अरे यार.
सच मेरे यार है.
So सागर में कौन था आपको पता है?
सलमान खान.
बस वही
क्या बात
प्यार
कर रहे हो आप?
है. ये कौन सा सागर है?
कौन सा सागर है?
I just guessed.
जिसके बदले में कोई प्यार दे.
I just forget.
Okay, but no, thanks for trying. सागर ठीक है. Okay, give me the third movie.
जुदाई.
उसका तो बता दो एटलीस्ट.
उसके तो बता दो नाम.
नाम में हूँ फेल. मैंने समझा मूवी बतानी है.
But no problem. So
चाहिए.
Feroz, do me a favor. Messages on our Namaste Radio Facebook page.
Help the guy out.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll announce the actors in that movie very soon. Let me see if somebody else can guess it. Thank you for calling, Feroz.
Thank you.
नहीं मिला मैं तो.
And I'm going to take my last call.
Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hello, this is Ronak here.
Hi, Ronak.
आवाज में रौनक है बंदे की.
कैसे हो आप सब?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया रौनक. आप कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया.
And from which part of Greater Houston are you calling?
अगर ये बोलूंगा तो आप बोलोगे एवरीथिंग एवरीबॉडी इज फ्रॉम
रिचमंड. मुझे लग रहा है ये लोग पार्टी कर रहे हैं रिचमंड में और ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि चलो मूवी डिस्कस करते हैं, कॉल करते हैं. बट कोई बात नहीं. एज लॉन्ग
से तो नहीं हो.
वैक्सीन लग गई ना. अब तो पार्टी
करने की बात है. एग्जैक्टली. सो रौनक, टेल अस आपकी कौन सी है 3 मूवीज?
चलो स्टार्ट विद द धड़कन.
Start with it.
उसमें शिल्पा शेट्टी, सुनील शेट्टी, अक्षय कुमार.
एंड आप अंजलि डायलॉग बोल सकते हो अंजलि के लिए कुछ?
अरे यार अंजलि यार वो बड़ा सेंसिटिव टाइप का डायलॉग है. वो जो उससे डायलॉग मारे ना वो कितने लोगों को एप्लीकेबल होता होगा. नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया, एवरीवेयर एल्स टू, राइट. लड़की का बाप उसको नीचा दिखाने का ट्राई करेगा और वो लड़का वहीं से थाम लेगा. अब तो मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा.
सही बात है. सही बात है.
कितने लोग बिलियनर्स बन गए.
ये लगता है रौनक के दिल में कुछ चुभा है कभी ना कभी.
रेडियो पे नहीं बता सकता ये चीज.
ठीक है, हम रिचमंड आ ही रहे हैं 1 घंटे में, तो हम आगे पूछते हैं. हम अपने घर वापस आ ही रहे हैं दोस्त. सो ओके, आपने बताया धड़कन. गिव मी 2 more movies.
हाँ जी, दूसरी है जुदाई जो अगले वाले बंदे ने बताई. बट आई थिंक इट इज स्टिल ओके बिकॉज़ दैट्स समथिंग आई हैव थॉट ऑफ. और उसका इस पे स्टार कास्ट सब मेरे को पता है.
आप एक्टर्स बता दो, आई विल काउंट इट.
तो उसमें अपने अनिल कपूर साहब.
आपके कब से अनिल कपूर?
कपूर है ना तो कनेक्शन निकल जाता है कहीं.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. लगता है रौनक भी कपूर मतलब खानदान से ताल्लुक.
हमारे लॉन्ग बिलोंगिंग है, उसमें कुछ है ऐसे. मैं फैमिली थी में कुछ कहीं पे पढ़ा था.
क्या बात है.
जस्ट मेक यू फील गुड, राइट.
यस.
तो अनिल कपूर, श्रीदेवी जी और उर्मिला मातोंडकर.
उर्मिला मातोंडकर. आपको पता है आपने श्रीदेवी का नाम लेके आपको सुशील की तरफ से एक एक्स्ट्रा गिफ्ट सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा.
सही है. कल उनकी बेटी की मूवी देखी रूही, नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ गई.
I've been waiting. मेरे पास मतलब वो HD print है, वो जुगाड़ वाला print है, but I didn't want to watch it.
नहीं यार, कम अब तो OTT मिला है, वो जब जुगाड़ छोड़ो यार, अब इजीली मिल जाता है।
ये भी जानवी के फैन लगते हैं रौनक,
हमारी तरह है। तो मिल बैठेंगे जब आ जाओ रौनक कभी घर पे। आप रिश्वत में रहते हो?
हाँ, मैं आलियाना में ही हूँ, तो
मैंने वही पूछा ना, सारी में आलियाना में, हम भी आलियाना में रहते हैं। घर आ जाओ, वही साइड में बैठ के स्कॉच बहुत है घर पे, खोलेंगे।
हम क्लब हाउस में हम सोच रहे हैं कि देसी मूवी लगा है ना, आलियाना के 2 क्लब हाउस है ना।
क्या बात है।
वही प्रपोजल डालना है, अगले साल में उसी कमेटी मेंबर में बनूंगा और बोलूंगा हाँ, हमको एवरी सैटरडे या फ्राइडे नाइट को बॉलीवुड मूवी चाहिए।
ये देखो, ये रौनक एक तीर 2 निशाने कर रहे हैं, एक गिफ्ट सर्टिफिकेट भी जीत रहे हैं और दूसरा पॉलिटिक्स का प्रचार
मेरा वोट रौनक, जब एचओ में तू खड़ा हो, मेरा वोट तेरे लिए।
सो रौनक, गिव अस द थर्ड मूवी।
ओके, थर्ड वन मेरे को, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर नाम इज करेक्ट, बट लेट्स से साजन, जो अपने संजय दत्त और सलमान खान और माधुरी दीक्षित।
Wonderful. Thank you, Ronak. You have done the $20 gift certificate towards food to Bob's Lounge and Grill. So आप हमें जल्दी से नमस्ते रेडियो के Facebook पेज पे मैसेज कर दीजिए and you will get all the details.
Sure.
Thank you यार, बहुत मजा आया बात करके।
Same here. Take care. मेरे को वोट करना अगर।
अरे तू एलियना में मिल तो सही, बैठ के रूही साथ में देखेंगे। Oh, by the way, since you already watched that, watch the Big Bull. It's on Hotstar.
कौन सी वाली?
The Big Bull.
वो नहीं पता यार, मैं कल वो एक तो बच्चे के साथ क्या होता है कि हम पेरेंट्स को सैटरडे नाइट आफ्टर 10 o'clock कोई रिमोट हाथ में आता है ना,
तो आज रात को 10 बजे बिग बुल अभिषेक बच्चन की नई मूवी है। इट्स ऑन हर्षद मेहता पे बेचते, सो वॉच दैट टुडे।
ओके वही वाली, यार राइट।
ओके, थैंक यू।
थैंक्स अगेन, बाय।
उसने मुझे मूवी तो मेरे को भी देनी थी ना, रिटर्न।
बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
I know, I'm very happy too.
I'm very happy too. Thank you for that superb response. Oh, he's talking about the song. Thank you for that amazing response. So I have 4 winners.
Yeah.
हम इन चारों को देंगे और जो 2 एक्स्ट्रा व्हाट्सएप में भी जिन्होंने किया था उनको भी देंगे, बट जो ऑन एयर जिन्होंने कॉल किया मैं उनका नाम लूंगी। एक है फिरोज, एक है विद्या, श्रेया एंड रौनक। आप प्लीज हमें हमारे नमस्ते रेडियो के फेसबुक पेज पे मैसेज कर दीजिए एंड यू विल गेट $20 गिफ्ट सर्टिफिकेट।
मैं बता दूं, द रीजन आई सेड आई वाज हैप्पी, और भाई तू माइक चालू करने से पहले बता दिया है, सीरियसली बात है, बिकॉज़ IPL चल रहा है एंड दिल्ली इज प्लेइंग चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स। आई यूज्ड टू बी अ फैन ऑफ चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स बट नॉट एनीमोर। दिल्ली इज प्लेइंग, दिल्ली इज डूइंग वेरी वेल एक्चुअली। दे आर 93 in 9 overs, 0 wicket loss. Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw is batting. Shikhar Dhawan is at 45.
You have
and
no
Prithvi Shaw is
idea
at 47.
how much we argue on IPL. Because
That's like me in football,
Mumbai Indians and she's Delhi.
My number one, you again said it. No, number 1 is Bangalore. Second is Delhi.
So Bangalore and the opening IPL match was yesterday. Bangalore, Mumbai, and Bangalore won. Mumbai has a habit of losing all their opening matches last 12 years, but they are the champions, reigning champions of last year. So.
देख लेना है.
Yeah.
देख लेना.
How about I wanted to give. I know 2 movies. Let me try the third. But one movie was Na Tum Jano Na Hum with
That's right. Hrithik,
Saif and Isha Deol.
Why is Saif in freaking so many love triangles, dude?
Yeah.
I have one more too.
And Isha Deol.
Yeah. No, I lost my third one. What was my next one?
That was your first one.
That was my first one. I'm losing. Where's that?
Okay, till then you say what was
Imtihan.
Yeah.
Aashiki Ka, Sunny Deol, again Saif Ali Khan and Raveena Tandon.
Well, actually, okay, she didn't say. I was thinking this too, but Shreya said it on the phone, but we couldn't hear it. It was Tal. Anil Kapoor, Aishwarya
Was that on the
Rai,
front?
Yeah.
Akshay Khanna.
Yeah. Oh, because Anil Kapoor,
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
And then-
So yes, ये correct थी movies.
One more,
Yeah.
right? You're missing one more.
I know, but I can't remember. It was a Salman Khan movie with.
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam?
No, no.
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Yeah. No.
They already said it.
It was.
उसे
it had
हंसना
Rani.
भी होगा, उसे रोना
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
There you
That's the
go.
one.
That was.
Yeah, that is.
But that was
true.
Preeti
Preeti,
and
Rani,
It's still a
and
love
Rani.
triangle, na?
And then your
Oh, pia, pia.
then your Shadow comes right at the very end.
Yeah,
for a
yeah,
cameo,
yeah.
ये लेटी क्यों हुई है? बात क्यों नहीं करती? That was the
There you
hospital
go.
scene, right?
Yeah. And
Yes.
we want to remind everybody because tax season है.
Yeah.
And Sandeep ज़रूर इस number दीजिए ताकि they can call Mr. Pradeep Solani.
Call 281-580-8700. That's 281-580-8700. Ask for Pradeep or Sid. Again, 281-580-8700.
And before we get on that song, again, there's another place that we want to talk about and not forget is Maharaja Bhog.
Absolutely, guys. Maharaja Bhog is a place not to miss, and the reason is because if you want to experience a royalty, of course, vegetarian,
Royally.
vegetarian or ekdam, Rajasthani. That's what I
Premium veg
premium veg
thali,
thali style. That's none other place to go and check it out. That is Maharaja Bhog. I love it. कोई दरवाजा खोलता है आपके लिए, आप बैठते हो, कोई आपके हाथ धोता है, and then you get that buttermilk, लस्सी मिलती है, फिर उसके बाद वो सोने की थाली में there's so many katoris in there, and then you get those fresh sabjis and vegetables, and then the roti, and then bajre ki roti, na ye na wo, and of course the best thing is each and every dish tastes different, और अगर आप अगले दिन भी जाएंगे तो different menu मिलेगा. So जो उनके महाराज है बहुत एक्सपर्ट हैं, they keep on changing their menu on a daily basis so you can enjoy their food 7 days a week. Check them out at 8338 Southwest Freeway. That's Maharaja Bhog. Of course, you can follow them on Facebook. Visit today and experience royalty by dining in.
That's right. And I want to remind, I've just received message only from Vidya. I'm still waiting for message on Namaste Radio Facebook page from Firoz, from Shreya, and from Ronak. Yeah, we do have someone on line, but we're going to get into a song break and then come back very quickly.
जब तक तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं, जब तक तेरे साथ में चांद तक मैं चल ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. जब तक तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं, जब तक तेरे साथ में चांद तक मैं चल ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो.
So yes, congrats to all the winners, and do make sure that you do message us on our Namaste Radio's
Yes,
Facebook
and
page.
फिरोज ने हमें मैसेज किया है. फिरोज, आपको हमने ईमेल भेज दिया है, तो आप अपनी डिटेल्स उसमें हमें भेज दीजिएगा. विद्या का मैसेज आ चुका है, श्रेया और रौनक का मैसेज आना बाकी है.
That's right. So this is Namaste Radio every Saturday at 10 a.m. right here on 99.5 FM. And you can also listen to us online, namasteradiohouston.com, on our apps, iPhone and Android, on Amazon Alexa products. This closing segment right here is brought to you by Anwar Raza. If you have any Medicare questions, he has your answers with free consultation. You know, questions like, what are my Medicare options? What are I don't understand the difference between Part A, B, C, D. He can definitely help you. Anwar Raza, call him today at 832-282-5868. That's 832-282-5868. The website is MedicareSolutions65.com. Again, the number is 832-282-5868.
That's right. And काफ़ी अच्छा गया आज का शो. And every week we try to get something different for you. खबरें और definitely giveaways and interviews. So next week I'm also excited about this interview. They'll be on our show for the first time. So again, YLDP houston.org जाइए, admissions. And सबसे पहले, जैसे मैंने बोला, फेस्टिवल का टाइम है ये कमिंग वीक. चैत्र नवरात्रि शुरू होने वाली है, तो पंडित प्रदीप पांडे जी का हमने मैसेज भी सुना, तो उनके तरफ से अगेन आप सबको इनविटेशन है. द टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड एट 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 एंड फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग ट्यूसडे April 13 till Wednesday 21st नवरात्रि है. एंड ऑन April 21st Wednesday they have the Navami Puja. हवन भी है माता जी श्री दुर्गा जी का. So the puja is at 3:30 p.m. and the Maha Aarti is at 7 p.m. on April 21st Wednesday, and Mahaprasad will be served after Aarti. So visit them on Facebook and Instagram for details and participate in this. मंदिर खुले हुए हैं, बस मास्क पहन के जरूर जाइएगा. And पंडित जी का नंबर है 832-466-9868. Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston.
That's right. Thank you everybody for tuning in today right here on Namaste Radio. Again, don't forget to subscribe to all of our pages. Namaste Radio on Facebook, at Namaste Radio 3 on Instagram, and our YouTube, Namaste Radio Houston. For our closing statements, Sushil, why don't we start with you right here?
Before closing, just a quick update for all the IPL lovers out there. If anybody's supporting Chennai, boss, मुझे नहीं लगता Chennai जीतेगी. Delhi is actually batting pretty well. धो रही है एकदम. They're 119 for 0 wickets at 11 overs. So another 70 runs to go in 50 balls, so they can definitely do it. So awesome. Delhi, good luck. Chennai, sorry, next time, good luck. Closing statements. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, जीवन एक खूबसूरत सा संगीत है, उस पे सुर सजाते रहिए. Be careful, take care of yourself, take care of others, spread love, and see you next week.
That's right. I was just saying, like I say every week, no matter what, life always gives us ups and downs. Hopefully it's always up. Hashtag always up. Hashtag never down. But no matter what, can't stop, won't stop. That's always, like I said, just spread positivity everywhere.
That's right. And like he said, positivity and energy सब आगे बढ़ा रखिए. मुझे इसलिए हंसी आ रही है
Be positive.
क्योंकि मुझे be positive याद आ गया, उससे COVID positive भी याद आ गया. But guys, still be careful out there. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands. I know you've gotten vaccinated, but still don't be a carrier. So keep yourself away. Try to be as careful as possible. So yes, take care. और हम आएंगे next Saturday exactly 10 बजे on 99.5 FM, on our Facebook Live, on our apps, on our website namasteradiohouston.com, and we want to thank Radio Dabang for all the partnership. Thank you so much.
That's right. Have a great weekend, everybody. Namaste Radio will be back next week at 10 a.m. Music continues 24/7 on our apps, website, Amazon. Keep it locked here. Have a great weekend.
See ya.
लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला